Hi friends, do you know what AI cannot replace? Let us see what it cannot replace, my dear friends. In this fast moving tech driven world, everyone is educated, everyone holds degrees, everyone knows something about everything. We are all equipped with knowledge and tools like never before, my dear friends. Something is changing. Artificial intelligence is rising faster, smarter, more efficient. Machines can know how to write, talk, design, and even think. So, naturally, a question arises, my dear friends. Will AI replace us? Maybe it can replace some tasks. Maybe it can do our jobs faster. But there is something AI can never replace, my dear friends. It cannot replace the warmth of a smile. It cannot replace the empathy of a kind word. It cannot replace the art of listening or the strength of human connection, my dear friends. It can analyze emotions, but it cannot feel them. It can simulate friendship, but it cannot build trust. It can respond with logic, but not with love, my dear friends. In every field, education, business, healthcare, sales, or service, what people truly remember is how you made them feel. Your soft skills, your communication, your empathy, your adaptability, your emotional intelligence. These are true superpowers, my dear friends. AI cannot replace knowledge workers, but AI can replace knowledge workers, but not relationship builders. It can replace routine performers, but not inspiring leaders. It can write a poem, but cannot cry over its meaning. It can diagnose illness. It cannot comfort the patient's fear. It can sell a product, but it cannot understand the customer's heart, my dear friend. So, in this AI age, don't just upgrade your skills, upgrade your humanity. Be the person who listens when others don't. Be the one who cares when missions cannot. Be the one who inspires trust, spreads warmth, and lifts another. Because in the world full of machines, humanity is the ultimate advantage, my dear friends. AI can do many things, but it can never replace you, my dear friends. Stay kind, stay irreplaceable. Subscribe for such more motivational thoughts. Shivakumar Chillara, my dear friends.